Example problem 21 reads, how many grams are in 4 moles of sulfuric acid, H2SO4? So we have 4 moles of H2SO4, and we want to find out how many grams there are. So moles to grams is a one-step conversion. Moles go on bottom, and grams go on top. So in 1 mole, we have to find out the amount of grams by taking the molecular weight. So there is hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Hydrogen is element number 1, and so its weight is 1.008 grams. Sulfur is number 16, and its weight is 32.07 grams. And oxygen is number 8, and it has 16 grams of mass in it. And so there are 2 hydrogen atoms, there is 1 sulfur atom, and there are 4 oxygen atoms. So multiplying rows 2 and 3, 1.008 times 2 is 2.016 grams. 32.07 times 1 is 32.07 grams, and then 16 times 4 is 64 grams. And so we add up row 4. So 210.6 grams plus 32.07 grams plus 64 grams is a total of 306.67 grams. And so that goes over here, 306.67 grams. So moles cancels and we're left in grams. So in our calculators, 4 times 306.67 equals a total of 1,226.68 grams of H2SO4. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 21.